Okay, let's give you guys an example. So in this video, we're going to try and work out the area enclosed by this graph. We are going to try and work out the area here. But rather than working out the whole area, we're just going to work out this area, and then later on we can multiply it by 4 because of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've already done a section on sketching graphs, so we're not going to go through that again. But roughly speaking, theta starts here and then it increases, and then as you increase theta, it will trace out this path. It will start from here, and then it will trace out this path. But we're only going to integrate it from here to here. So roughly speaking, when theta is 0, if you put 0 into here, then the radius will be 2. So when the angle is 0, the radius will be 2, meaning when the angle is 0, we will start here. And then as you increase the angle, as you increase theta, by the time theta gets to pi over 4, by the time, well, if you put pi over 4 into here, the whole thing here, the radius, will be 0. Meaning, you start here, as you increase theta, by the time theta gets to pi over 4, the radius will be 0. Meaning that you start here, and then by the time you get to pi over 4, you end up with the radius being 0. So if you put this into here, pi over 4, the whole thing here will be 0. So when the angle is 0, you would start here. As you increase theta, it will move along this path here. But by the time you get to pi over 4, the radius will be 0. So you end up here. So really, we want to integrate from 0, because you start here, and then by the time you get to pi over 4. So really, we want to integrate it from 0 to pi over 4. So remember from the previous 2 videos, the area is given by this, but we want to integrate it from 0 to pi over 4. We want to integrate it from 0 to pi over 4. And this half here is this, but then we need the r squared. Well, if you look at this, we've already got r squared. R squared is this. So we can put this into the r squared. That will then give us this. So don't forget we need don't forget what we've done is we've integrated from 0 to pi over 4. So that will then take us to here. But then we've got to times it by 4 because of 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole area is given by 4 times the whole thing here. Okay, so this thing here, this whole thing here, is just this bit here. Okay, so now it's just a matter of integrating that. So this is a constant, and then times take these 2 out. Take this and this out. It will give you an 8. So now it's just a matter of integrating this. So you should be able to integrate this by now. Something differentiates to this. Well, if you make this to be a guess, half sine 2 theta. If you differentiate this, it will give you this. Well, integrate this, it will then give you this. So now it's just a matter of you putting this into here, and then later put this into here, and that would then be a half, take away 0. So overall the area would be 4. So the whole area here, so don't forget, yeah, the whole area here, is 4. So this bit here is 1. The area here is 1. But the whole thing, the area of the whole thing here is actually 4, because yeah, the whole thing there is 4. Okay. So this is your final answer.